Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Files. So today we will unbox the Hot Wheels Ford GT from the 2025 mainline series. Let's unbox it. Trigger warning, I uncard all my cars like this. I will say nice fills, right? Okay, the last one is a bigger one. Okay, I don't know if the actual one looks like this. Maybe it does, but I need to check that. Let me know, guys, if the actual one looks like this, like where the rear wheel is bigger than the front one. So okay, we have some details here. So these are painted with not much care, I will say, but yeah, it is what it is. It is a main line, right? So yeah, that is all you can get. And okay, on the side we have the Hot Wheels logo here. So on the front we have the Ford badging. Okay, nice touch for a mainline. Of course, the headlights are not painted. Some okay, almost non-existent fog light details, but I will say looks nice. On the back, okay, they could have given some stickers or something, but they did not. So almost non-existent details on the back. We have the exhaust here. This is how it looks like from the top. Nice. The stripe looks nice. Iconic feature of this Ford GT. And on the bottom we have okay, all plastic. Okay, almost no details here. Let's do a quick roll test. Yep, rolls nicely as expected from Hot Wheels. So okay, that's it from this video, guys. See you guys on the next one.